We're going to take a look at my map, and we're going to start right here at the beginning of our zoo. And what animal do you all see right there? Can you tell me?
What animal?
It is an alligator. Very good.
Big.
Wow. Big Amos alligator.
Oh my god!
Water. Look at him go.
He jumped in the water
Jump
again.
off the log. Amos is not happy. The airplane did not wait. Boys and girls, I am so proud of you today. You were such good listeners. You paid attention. You participated. I love spending time with all of you. I'm so excited to do this today. So today, friends, we're going to go visit Brody in the mountain. What is Brody Bear doing?
Eating.
There's baby Brody. So Brody, the baby, is a cub, a bear cub. Hold up your journal and show us how you colored your bear. Oliver, nice writing too, my friend. Collins, beautiful work. This is our lowercase b. And around and around. You can practice writing B inside your app. Okay?
Hold it down. Yes.
So tonight, color your journal, practice your B's, take a picture with Brody Bear, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends.
Bye.